Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change a theme on OPPO A60. To do this, first we need to find and go to the settings. In the settings app you want to find wallpapers and style. And finally over here tap on themes on the right side. Over here you will find all your themes, and by default you will have only your default theme. So if you want to find more themes you need to open the theme store. And in order to use it, you will need to create an OPPO account, which is fairly easy. All you need to do is provide the email, and then you will need to enter the password that you want to use for your account, and you might need to also get the code that you will receive on your email. Once you have the account and you can fully use the store, what you can do is switch to themes over here below the search bar, or you can go to category and over here select themes, where you have themes for the lock screen. We have content, and based on color, based on style, and so on and so forth. So let's say I'm gonna choose animals, and over here we have themes that are related to animals. And let's say I'm gonna choose this theme over here. All you need to do is press apply button, and now we need to wait a couple of seconds. And there we go, we have a new theme. If you want to go back to the default theme, what you need to do is simply go back to the settings. Once again, go to wallpapers and style and choose themes. And then over here, you will once again find the default theme, and you can press apply in order to restore the default theme. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.